the Black Square, Freedom, Black Star, Freedom and Justice, and you'll see the stadium in the background. So this is where we're going. So I finally made it to Black Star. It's crowded here today. I don't know what is going on. They look like they have something going on in the stadium, but I am at the Black Star Square where you could see the stadium. They have concerts there, their matches, and also the Black Square Center, the Black Star Square Center, where they have performances and all the entertainment and festivals. It looked like something's going on. I don't know what it is. Everybody's in black, so it must be some type of funeral or something. How you zoom in? Is that? How you zoom in? I'm here at the Black Star Square Center. This is the Freedom and Justice. This is the center of Accra, where we have the stadium on this side and the Black Star Square on this side, where they have entertainment and festivals. This is where all the excitement happen here in Ghana, where Dirty December happens. It looked like today has something going on, like some type of a funeral. Everybody is in black and red. That's the colors they wear at funerals. So I'm guessing some type of leader or somebody, they come in from the stadium over to the Black Star Center. So we just here to see what we could ask someone why there's so much people out here in black and red, because I know black and red represent a funeral. You see all these people going over to the Black Star Square area. That's because of a funeral. There's a funeral today, and the funeral is an evangelist, a popular evangelist here in Accra. He's well known, so all these people are going to his funeral. I don't know his name, but that's the reason there's so much people here today in black and red. And we are here, if you're just joining, at the Black Star Square. We are down with our Black Star Square Mall area, and we are heading to a restaurant called Potbelly's in Osu. I heard so much about Potbelly, so I'm going to try their food for dinner. So we are in Osu, and Osu is one of the nicer areas. We are in Osu, one of the nicer areas, and we are going to try a place called Potbelly's. Hopefully it's nice. I heard about it. They don't have a sign up, so we're not sure where we're going. We can't find the area, so we're going to go to the Palms. It looked like the business had already failed in this area, so we're gonna go down to the Palms. The businesses is a little nicer, the streets are a little nicer in Osu. If you're looking for a place, a nice area to live, Osu, I heard, is the area. So far, in restaurants, it looks like a pretty nice restaurant. I'm not sure if they're open. So they're open. So we're going to try this place. This is nice. I don't know what the prices are gonna be like, so maybe I might do a little review of the Palm. It's nice. Let's see what the food is like, and let's see what the prices are like. Oh, it's by a hotel, Prestige Suites Hotel. Okay, let's go see what it's like. It's nice. Nice. Palms restaurant. The Palms restaurant. We're looking over the menu, and so far the food's menu looks good. The drinks, the alcoholic beverages was not available, so we have to get some soft drink and juice, but that's okay. So far the place looks clean and nice. The restrooms were clean and nice. So that's it. I think I'm gonna go with the seafood pasta, and the local food you have to order like 2 hours ahead. We can't do that. So the pasta we're gonna try. Sorry, watermelon. Sorry for my mistakes. Watermelon juice. So far so good. Coca-Cola, watermelon juice. Right, look at it. Seafood pasta. And this looks so good. Barbecue chicken with fried rice. It looks delicious. Let's see what it is. Here at Osu, the Palms restaurant, and I am eating seafood pasta. This is my first try. Let's see. It's good. So we finished eating at the Palms restaurant here in Osu, Accra, Ghana, and I give them let's say an 8 out of 10 because the serving size of my pasta was small. They didn't have desserts and they didn't have cocktails. On their menu they had everything, but they didn't have it here. The service was okay, but 8 out of 10. So if you come to Ghana, the Palms restaurant in Osu, it's pretty good overall, my opinion.